Welcome to the JPGeo tutorial. First start the application. Then you can see we have three main buttons on the home screen. We have the settings, edit key, and we have the plus button at the top for adding new photo shoots. Under settings you can find the JPGeo tutorial. If you open this up, this has a list of all the instructions for using the app. And we also have a link to the video tutorial at the bottom. Begin by hitting the plus button in the top right corner, then give your photo shoot a name. For this tutorial I'm using SSD for taking photos of a new solid-state drive. Hit add, and then you'll see SSD in your photo shoots list. Select SSD to start the geotagging. It'll begin by gathering your location and tell you your accuracy. To begin, turn on the GPS logging switch. Now JPGeo will begin logging your location. Make sure when you're taking your photos that your camera is set to the correct time or the same time that your iPhone is set to. You can even lock the iPhone and then leave it in your pocket while it's gathering your location. If you get a phone call, JPGeo will be stopped. Once the call is over, just turn the JPGeo switch back on to continue logging. You can even turn the logging off and then continue at a later time, even closing the application to do something else. When you're ready to continue taking photos, just open up the app, select your photo shoot again, and then continue logging. When you're done, turn GPS logging back off. And when you're all done taking photos, click the Close GPX file button. This will then save your GPX file and finalize it. When you're ready to share it, click the sharing button. Then turn on Wi-Fi sharing with the switch. At the bottom you'll notice an address that you can enter in your computer web browser to go ahead and gather your GPX file and then begin the tagging process. After you've downloaded the file to your computer, you can turn off the Wi-Fi sharing and close the application. To download your GPX file, go to your web browser and enter in the URL bar the IP address given to you on your Wi-Fi sharing page on the iPhone app. On the JPGeo page, download the GPX file for your photo shoot. Right-click and hit Download Linked File As. Save it to somewhere you can remember. Then close your web browser when you're finished. To begin geotagging, go to your Applications folder and select the JPGeo desktop application that you downloaded from the website. You're then instructed to select the folder containing the photos for your photo shoot. Remember, when importing photos, it's best to copy the photos onto a folder on your desktop rather than using iPhoto. Select the folder, then on the next screen, select the GPX file for your photo shoot that we downloaded from our iPhone app. JPGeo is now tagging your photos. When it completes, you'll get a notification in the top right corner indicating how many images have been geotagged. After you've geotagged your photos, open iPhoto. Before importing the photos, go to Preferences, Advanced, and ensure that Lookup Places is set to automatically. Then, grab the folder of photos that were previously geotagged and drag them into iPhoto. On the left side of iPhoto, you'll see Places. This will give you a map view of all your photo locations. To view the location of an individual photo, just select it and hit the Information button on the bottom right-hand corner. You can then view the location of where the photo was taken. For more information and to download the desktop app, go to the web address on the screen.